From Catalina Island, reigning champion, Reckless Tornado. The Halloween tournament champion, Reckless Tornado, returns to destroy a similar bot.
My strategy is to just dominate, just freaking dominate. My Reckless Tornado, this diamond can't hold up to it. My tornado's gonna toss that diamond all over the place.
From Dhaka, Bangladesh, DIEmond. DIEmond, just coming off from a off-camera win to Iodine, who recently just decimated. You're supposed to do that, okay? Who just decimated. 60. I cannot speak to that.
All right, so I'm gonna knock off her parts, all of them.
3, 2, 1, fight. Oh, Reckless Tornado carries. Oh, she loses the part in that exchange. DIEmond loses the part. Oh no, wait. Now it's DIEmond. Oh my god. It's an absolute brawl out in the green square for DIEmond. Take the part off. There goes Reckless Tornado. DIEmond loses the part. One more fight remaining on DIEmond. Oh, Reckless Tornado loses. Oh, DIEmond rides Reckless Tornado.
PG rated.
I'm sorry.
What am I doing?
Oh, Reckless Tornado lost the part. Now, Reckless Tornado has 4 parts remaining, while DIEmond only has 1. Oh, no. Reckless Tornado has 2 parts remaining. DIEmond only has 1. DIEmond keeps riding Reckless Tornado. Quite literally. She's falling on top of the riding her. That static axe could be used to jam a spinner. That's probably what it's used for anyways. Reckless Tornado gets jammed with the timing. We're at 1 minute and 22 seconds. Let's go.
This is a rule book.
Oh yeah, I gotta count to 10 and let's go. Sorry.
I thought if I jammed it like that,
2, 3, 4, 5.
I'm facing it and jamming it.
Oh wait, hang on.
That's cool. Is that Ryan Reynolds?
Wait, who's Oh! DIEmond almost gets flipped.
Diamond's
I don't
hitting
know
flip.
which way is straight. This is so hard.
We're 2 minutes in, and so far the reigning champion seems to be winning, in my opinion, but I see differently from the judges. And DIEmond is getting really aggressive. They've been falling on top of the spinner of Reckless Tornado. Oh. Oh no.
What's happening?
She's stuck. Now she's out. Okay. Back to 1. We have 2 minutes left into this fight.
They want a euro.
Looks like DIEmond's jamming up the spinner, but her spinner
Keep it PG, guys.
struggling to do any damage. But if anyone can get a quick KO, it's DIEmond. And Reckless Tornado can do that too. You're a reigning champion. DIEmond's rookie roll. They know Reckless Tornado. Alright. Reckless Tornado trying to knock off parts that have already been knocked off. As we're 3 minutes and 49 seconds into this fight.
What part can come off of here? Just the back.
That
That thing doesn't come